Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make meringue in a blender. This easy method will have you whipping up perfect meringue in no time. First, gather your ingredients: 3 large egg whites, 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, and 1/4 teaspoon of cream of tartar. It's crucial that your blender is spotless and completely dry. Carefully separate your egg whites, ensuring absolutely no yolk contaminates them for the best results. Now, let's get blending. Pour your 3 egg whites and the 1/4 teaspoon of cream of tartar into your clean blender. Secure the lid and blend on a medium-high speed for approximately 30 seconds, just until the mixture becomes light and foamy. Then, with the blender still running, slowly add the 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, 1 tablespoon at a time, allowing it to fully incorporate. Keep blending on high speed for another 3 to 5 minutes. You're looking for stiff, glossy peaks to form. To check, stop the blender and carefully lift the lid. The meringue should hold its shape firmly, standing tall without collapsing. It should also have a beautiful sheen. A small amount will cling to the blender blades, indicating perfect consistency. Your perfect blender meringue is now ready to use. For the best texture and stability, use it immediately in your favorite recipes, whether it's for a lemon meringue pie, delicate cookies, or a topping for hot chocolate. If you're not using it right away, bake or torch it soon after preparation. Any leftovers can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 2 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.